Welcome to Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, the Steel City. Welcome to Mount Washington, Pittsburgh. What's up, guys? So today we're in the city of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, also known as the Steel City. We're gonna check it out, guys. Take a look. We're at Mount Washington right now, and we're at the Mount Washington Overlook or lookout point. And look at this view. These are some epic views. Pittsburgh has a lot of bridges, as you can see down here. We're just walking to this lookout point right here where you see everyone at. I'm here with my friend Jenny and Dorothy. Y'all know Dorothy already. And this lookout point is called the Paul F. Jones Overlook. Check it out, guys. Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. So check it out, guys. We are at Mount Washington still, and we're just heading up to this ice cream stop here. Pretty cool looking, colorful place. There's a gastropub across the street here, and then a key bank just down the road. And it's quite a quaint little town here up on Mount Washington with those views of Pittsburgh. Definitely check this out if you do come to Pittsburgh. Totally worth it. And we're gonna try out this ice cream and see what it's like. Time to get on this incline here. Check it out.
Your grandson is doing this? That we're all class
So that's the incline that we just came down on, all the way from Mount Washington, and that's the car coming down the incline there. It brought us right down here to the lower station, and just over this side is Station Square, where they have a casino, it seems like.
A few moments later.
We're heading on to the inclinator here. So that's it, guys, for the Duquesne Incline. Basically just takes you down to the waterfront and back up to Mount Washington. We're gonna keep exploring Pittsburgh, guys, and we'll bring you guys with us. Let's go.
The next day.
Guys, check out this deer right here. Welcome to the Phipps Botanical Gardens and Conservatory.